Today I'm going to talk about the benefits of learning English through yoga and how it can help with your English skills. Hi, I'm Mike and I teach yoga in English. こんにちは、英語でヨガ教師マイクです。First of all, it's important to understand the connection between language and physical movement. By practicing yoga, you're not only improving your flexibility and strength, but you're also helping your brain to process and retain new information. When you're practicing yoga, you're actively engaging your body and mind. This can help to improve your memory and cognitive function, to make it easier to learn and remember new vocabulary and grammar. Additionally, yoga can help you reduce stress and anxiety, which can make it easier for you to focus and absorb new information. It can also help improve your listening skills because you have to listen to the instructions given to you in English when doing the pose. The Total Physical Response Method, or TPR, is an approach that uses physical movement to help students learn new vocabulary. By connecting physical actions to new vocabulary, students are better able to retain and recall information more easily. Yoga is an excellent way to incorporate TPR method into your language learning routine. By practicing yoga poses that correspond to new vocabulary, you'll be able to remember better and use the words in context. If you're looking to improve your English language skills, consider adding English yoga into your study routine. Not only will it improve your physical health, but it will also aid in your language learning journey. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel to help support me so I can help support you with your English yoga journey, where I'll be talking more about the benefits of yoga and language learning. So see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. 見てくれてありがとうございます。And I'll see you in the next video. Check it out right here.